Ever thought all swans were graceful, white, and straight out of a fairy tale? Think again. Meet the black swan, the elegant goth cousin of the storybook bird. Forget white feathers. These beauties are draped in glossy jet black plumage that shimmers in the sun. And that neck? It's a super long, elegant S curve, giving them a look that's pure, sophisticated drama. But the real showstopper is that beak. It's a fiery, vibrant red with a stark white tip, like it's been dipped in paint. Watching them glide across a still lake is like witnessing a secret ballet. They move with a mysterious grace, looking both majestic and a little bit melancholy. They're not just birds, they're living, breathing art. So next time you picture a swan, remember the stunning, dark, and handsome one. If you loved this little glimpse into nature's dark side, smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Thanks for watching.